With CapCut you can create things that look like they were edited in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. But the crazy part is, most people have absolutely no idea these features even exist. In this video I'm going to show you 5 advanced editing tricks that will make your videos look more professional, even if you are just getting started. Each next tip will become more and more practical and cool, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so to show you how to highlight an object in CapCut, I will import this picture of the orange car here, and I will go to remove background option here on the right. I will click custom removal and I will select smart brush here. I will try to select with my brush my car here. You don't have to be perfect because here, as you can see, CapCut automatically selected the whole car. So now I will go here, smart eraser, and I will click apply. And now as you can see, CapCut automatically cutted the background of my car picture. Now I will drag our orange car picture onto our timeline again. Now I will drag our cutted picture above our raw one. I will drag our cutted clip a few seconds further on our timeline. And now I will go to adjustment here, curves, and I will scroll down to, for example, green, and I will set it like this here. As you can see here, our car got highlighted. To make it even better, we can add some sound effect. For example, I will select this one, and as you can see here right now, our car got highlighted very nicely. Alright guys, so to show you how camera tracking option works, I prepared for you 2 examples. But let's deactivate the second one for now. So I will click V on the keyboard. And here I will go to stickers. And I will pick, for example, this one. I will drag it to the end here. And I will make my sticker smaller here. Now I will go to tracking option here, motion tracking, and I will set this point, this little plus on my finger, and my sticker like this here. I will turn off this feature and I will click start. After a few seconds, CapCut finished tracking my object and it looks like this. As you could notice, this feature isn't perfect. It doesn't track my finger exactly, but in my opinion, it doesn't look the worst. Let's move to our second example. I will activate it by clicking V on the keyboard, and I will deactivate those by clicking V as well. Let's move here. As you can see here, our car is changing its position here. Let's add a sticker this time, for example, an arrow. For example, this one. Let's drag it to the end here. And let's adjust it like this. Here. Again, I will click motion tracking. I'll turn this option off and I will put my camera tracking point here, for example. I will click start. And as you can see right now, our camera tracking option works better this time because this animation is more steadier than this one. To summarize, camera tracking feature works worse on more dynamic objects, but it still doesn't look very bad. Voice recording option. To record your voice in CapCut, you just have to go here and click this tiny microphone here. And by clicking this red button here, you will start to record your voice. Hello, hello, hello. As you can see here, I recorded my voice, but before showing it to you, I want to show you those features here. Here you can select your input device. In this case, I selected my microphone. Here you can set its volume. Here you can select echo reduction feature to reduce echo from your recording. Here you can mute project, so sounds in all clips will be turned off after mute project turned on. And you can enhance your voice here. Now let's check how our recording sounds.
Hello, hello, hello.
It sounds pretty good. Alright guys, so in this part of this video, I will show you how to create and edit auto captions in CapCut. As you can see here, I imported some footage onto my timeline here. By the way, I showed here on my YouTube channel how I edited this video from A to Z. Now in the upper right corner, you will see a link to this video. Feel free to check it after watching this one. So back to our auto captions. To create auto captions in CapCut, I'll go here, text, auto captions here. Here you can select a language in which you are talking. When you pick your language, in my case English, go here and click generate. After a moment, you can see that CapCut automatically added auto captions to my video here. I think we can both agree that it doesn't look very good. It looks weak, I would say. So to make it better, I'll click on my caption and I'll change its, for example, font. Here, you have to click it and you have to select, for example, this one. Make sure apply to all main captions feature is enabled. This option allows you to add adjustments to all of the captions. Here in text settings, you can change a lot of different aspects of your captions. For example, font size. Here you can select the preset style. I'll select, for example, this one. Here you can change your captions opacity. Here you can add stroke to your captions. For example, let me set it for 40, for example. Here you can add background to your text. You can also add glow to your text here. Or you can add a shadow or a curve here. From useful and important features in text settings, I want to also show you this feature. Here, this option allows you to write your captions from capital letter. This option allows you to write your captions in lowercase. And the last one allows you to start every caption starting from a capital letter. You can also change your captions color here. Now I want to show you templates that we can use in CapCut to edit our captions. Here you can select a lot of different types of templates. I'll pick, for example, this one. And now, as you can see, CapCut added this nice template to our captions. We can edit those captions as well by going here, effects, and here we can select a different effect. So for example, this one. And as you can see here, we edited our template using effects. This feature is very useful because it basically allows us to create unique captions for our brand, for example. Auto captions feature is one of the most important feature that CapCut offers, so I highly recommend you to use it very often. Alright guys, so now I will show you how to create text behind a person. First, let's add some caption. I will add some default text here and I will write, for example, CapCut 2025. I will change its font so it looks better and I will enlarge it and I will put it like here. I will press Alt and I will go to my footage and I will copy like this. I will drag it above my caption. I will go to remove background option on the right and I will click auto removal. After a moment, as you can see here, our text is behind our person. We can make it even better by animating our text. So to animate our text, I will click on my text here and I will go to animation and I will select showing up animation, for example. Let's check how it looks.
And you will see why editing is everything.
I think it looks very cool. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. See you soon.